Want to engage your followers with a quick question? Here's how to add a poll to your Instagram story. And if this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Start by opening Instagram and swiping right to create a new story. You can take a photo or select one from your camera roll. Once you've got your background ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on pause or use the search bar if you don't see it right away. Enter your question and customize the response options however you like. You can even add more than just yes or no to make it more fun and interactive. When you are happy with the poll, hit done in the top right. You can add text, drawings or other stickers to personalize your story. Finally, tap your story in the bottom left to post it. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to follow for more Instagram tips.